Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 9th, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow had a great day yesterday that I talked about, and today it had a rather terrible day. It opened down lower, and it tried to rally here and then pulled back. Ended up closing down 158 points. You would think that we'd probably have a pretty bad day with that happening. No, we had a really good day today. Pretty amazing. Um, yesterday on the close, we were negative $8,000, and we closed that out this morning with positive $47,000. That's right, $47,000. Oh, wait a minute, I'm reading that wrong. I'm sorry, that's 42,000. But we still closed out positive $42,000 on 14 positions earlier this morning. I'm going to show you how we did that in a second. And we are carrying negative 12,000 with 9 positions going into tomorrow, but that could go to another positive 40,000 tomorrow. Who knows? We're still open trade with that. Okay, I'm going to show you there's only one stock to talk about today, and it's a beauty. This is NEXI, which is Neximmune Incorporated. And this is really interesting. We bought this yesterday on this pop and immediately pulled back. It was negative all day long and then even sold off kind of at the end. So we were deeply negative with Neximmune on the close yesterday. Then this morning, this thing opens up and it takes off, and by the time it gets up here, they called a trading halt on it because it was just going too fast. And then when they brought the trading halt off, it popped up again, and we hit that 40% exit that I put in the algorithm a few weeks ago, and we haven't had a 40% trade. This was it. In other words, at this point, the stock had risen 40% from where we bought it, and that triggers an automatic exit, and we exited that with positive $50,000. So we were out of this within the first half hour with $50,000 in profit. And then it pulls back a little and we get re-entered into this thing. Okay? And at first that looks really good because by the time this gets up here, we're up over $15,000 again on this, So we got 50,000 plus 15,000. That's looking pretty good. And it held fairly decently here, and then it kind of craps out at the end, and we're negative, I believe, like $10,000 on that. So we went from positive 15 here to negative 10 here. But as I say, this stock is crazy, and it could do anything tomorrow. The thing is, what you got with this type of situation, you got a ton of shorts. People have shorted this thing thinking they're going to make a fortune with it going down, just like we made a fortune with it going up. The problem with that is that sets it up for short covering. And if this thing starts rallying in the morning and starts hitting those short stops, it could do the same thing tomorrow morning that it did here. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that could happen. Anyway, really good day. I'm so happy. We haven't had an outlier. We haven't had a 40% trade. Nothing like that. And it happened this morning, and we made a lot of money. So I'm really happy. We'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.